Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Potensic Aom assi 4K drone. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Potensic Aom assi 4K drone for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. If you're in the market for a high-quality drone, the Ptensic Aom assi 4K is an impressive option worth considering. This drone stands out for its advanced features and ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. The Ptensic Aom assi is equipped with a 4K UHD camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage and photos with exceptional clarity. The adjustable lens offers versatility for various shooting angles. This drone offers several intelligent flight modes, including follow me, waypoint, and circle flight, enhancing your flying experience and allowing for creative shots with minimal effort. With up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, the Aom assi allows you to explore more without constant recharges. Its long range also ensures you can capture expansive landscapes. Weighing only 250 grams, the Ptensic Aom assi is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take on any adventure. Before purchasing, think about your specific needs, such as camera quality and flight time. Check for local regulations regarding drone flying, and consider investing in extra batteries for extended use. User reviews can provide valuable insights into performance and reliability. The Ptensic Aom assi 4K drone offers an excellent balance of features, quality, and affordability, making it a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography game. Thanks for watching the video.